amazing stuff there.
Oh, I'm going to play a slow song
He's going to play a slow song first, so he's going to scare us here a little bit, turn it around. But
trying to trick you.
yeah, but you know, Britta was able to get like, I think, what was that 300 words in 2 seconds or something? That was pretty phenomenal with that last song there. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. But anyway, so Scott's going to be putting some more marks on his guitar here, so let's get it for Scott Koblish.
Thank you, Jim. It was a California earthquake in the year of '83. Shook the living daylights out of the Owens County seat. Wasn't a building left standing when the dust was cleared away. Just a rumble in the distance all the way to San Andreas. Sherman Buck was driving his old mule into town when the big one came and shook so hard, threw old Sherman to the ground. But it opened up a hole so big, he thought his time was up. Well, it swallowed that poor mule, but just left old Sherman Buck. California earthquake, you don't know what you've done. We may fall off in the ocean, but you'll never see us run. You're a partner to the devil, we ain't afraid of him. We'll build ourselves another town so we can tear it down again. Then there came the quake of '99 that leveled Mission Creek. Earth was like an ocean churning with waves of 20 feet. You could hear California earthquake, you don't know what you've done. We may fall off in the ocean, but you'll never see us run. You're a partner to the devil, but we ain't afraid of him. We'll build ourselves another town so you can tear it down again. Came that high of the Holocaust on the San Francisco Bay. Miles of walls came tumbling down like Jericho that day. And everything the earthquake missed, a holy fire consumed, just left the smoke and ashes of our dreams that lie in ruins. California earthquake, you don't know what you've done. We may fall off in the ocean, but you'll never see us run. You're a partner to the devil, but we ain't afraid of him. We'll build ourselves another town so you can tear it down again. Yeah, we'll build ourselves another town so you can tear it down again. Oh, we'll build ourselves another town so you can tear it down again. It's a cover. I forgot it. I forgot some of the lines, but that's okay. It's not my song, so. We met in a spiral on a miswritten street. Picked up each other's dreams, but collapsed into defeat. With a seizure of Edison's 4 and the key to an unlocked door, became briefly what we'd hoped for. But broken children can never hope for more, can we? We met under a broken street lamp and a sunbeam downtown. Hopped the bar, left the National, headed eastward bound. Went up to your 3rd floor flat, yeah, but nothing ever came that seat of three, come up with only regret. But what good is all of this for? These memories are a locked door, like a rich man suddenly poor. What good am I? What good am I anymore? We met, both of us working on a four-color dream. You were married, I didn't know then what that means. As we polished the barroom floor and crept through every darkened door, the way to your childhood bed, I still wondered what went on in your head. But what good is all of this for? These memories are a locked door, like a rich man suddenly poor. What good am I? What good am I anymore? We met in a horsehead bar somewhere downtown. You'd forgotten I'd kissed you, but I'd come back around. Oh, and you were so sweet, too stoned to stand up and compete. In that same bar out back, I wondered if I should ever come back. But what good is all of this for? These memories are a locked door, like a rich man suddenly poor. What good am I? What good am I? Oh, and all these memories that go around in my head never seem to come down. All these memories that go around in my head, go round in my head, go round in my head. What good is all of this for? These memories are a locked door, like a rich man suddenly poor. What good am I? What good am I anymore? I should stick with my own stuff. That way I don't forget the lines.
That's all right. All right, Scott Koblish. Yeah, good stuff. Well, Scott, you're not from L.A., right?
No, I'm from New Jersey.
He's from New Jersey. That's why you got the earthquake song. See?
Yeah. Well, I thought it was
I kind of figured that was cool. Okay, next up we've got Linda Esquivel. I met Linda at an open mic a long time ago, and she's an excellent vocalist. So, Linda, why don't you come on up here? And she's got an accompanist today, too.